Okay. You know how whenever you're trying to prove a point and you're like, oh my god, look, this keeps happening, but then the second you show someone, it isn't happening anymore? Well, I'm hoping the same thing will work right now. Because, I've had hiccups, like, all day. Seriously, all day. I've tried chugging water, I've tried all this stuff. But I thought maybe if I turned on the camera and said, look everyone, I have hiccups, then maybe I'd stop hiccup. It didn't work. I've had them all day. It's starting to hurt. How do you get rid of hiccups? What works? Because obviously what I'm doing isn't working. Leave a comment. Tell me how to get rid of my hiccups. Ah! That's all.